Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your password on Alibaba.com account. So first we're going to open the Alibaba.com app. Then once you guys are here, we're going to click on My Alibaba. Then next we're going to click on Settings, which is found at the top right corner of the app. Then here we're going to click on Change Password. So first they're going to send you a verification code via your email. Then once you guys insert that, you're going to insert your new password based on the requirements there. Then as you can see, your password has been updated. So it's better to do this once in a while for security reasons, but that's how you do it. Then you guys can continue with your shopping. As I told you, you guys can find this app in the App Store or Play Store. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.